Okay.
In fairness, we should tell people what I'm doing.
Now, Derek and I are going to play a little bit.
There you go. Thank you.
So what we're going to do is we've put in the tightest chokes we have, and we're looking for low burr.
Yep, we're going to reach out and touch it.
So we'll see what happens here.
Unfortunately, I grabbed the
It is a little tricky. It is a little tricky shot, but it's okay.
I'm going to wait.
Oh! Pretty good. What happened there? Both birds? I didn't see the first one.
I broke them.
Okay,
broke
I'm
'em.
sorry,
Yeah,
I
yep.
didn't see it. I can't look through your head.
That first one's going to be hard to beat.
Oh!
Kind of. It's like
Oh yeah.
Very good break.
Over top of it. Over top of it.
Tough shot.
That one, you gotta be careful because of how long your shot takes to get.
Yeah. Pull.
Over top. I'm gonna hit this one, but is that it?
Pull.
Yeah.
Nothing there?
Nothing there.
All right. I'm gonna break these quicker just for the hell of it. Pull it.
Hey, I didn't know you were cheating's allowed.
Yeah, we got guys waiting. We'll get through these quick. Pull it.
Dead.
Over top, wasn't it?
I think so. I didn't see you get underneath it.
Pull it.
Over top. Get under that bird,
I
Archie.
can't believe, am I done? Yeah.